see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi guys! So as I promised, sabi ko sa inyo, mag-update ako mga vlogs. So isa ito sa mga mapapanood nyo itong dating na linggo. Kasi nga, bakasyon ng mga bata for 2 weeks. So, we're gonna do something different. What we gonna do, Kuya?
The lemon challenge, no reaction.
So, yeah. Gagawa kami ng lemon challenge with no reaction. So, kinuha namin to sa... Where did we get this sack?
Tommy.
So, sa garden ni Tommy. So, who's gonna do first?
Jack and
Gusto na
Boy.
mag-jack and point.
Jack and Boy.
Who? You? Okay, Zachary.
My
Si
turn.
Zach daw mga una. Tingnan. Yeah. You wanna do it too?
Yes.
Okay, you go together. Kuya, can you move forward here, Kuya? Yeah, you have to look the camera. With no reaction, huh? Come on. You have to eat like you have to
Eat
eat.
it.
You eat it. And look at the camera. Okay, put it here. Anna, is it good? Eat it, Baba. There's still more. You have to eat like this. Okay, Kuya. Next.
I think we'll do Jack and
Okay, more eat. Oh no, Kuya first. Kuya first. No reaction, Kuya, huh? Look at the camera. No reaction, huh? How is it?
I really like it.
Huh?
I really like it.
You really like it? How about you, Baba?
No more?
Okay.
I like the juice.
Oh, parang hindi to challenge, guys. Kasi
Have more?
gusto. Yeah, you can have more. Go, Kuya. Let's go. I-try ko
This
din.
big one again. Big one. Big one.
Maasim siya. Ba't parang sila hindi na... Is it good, Zach? How is it, Holly?
Good.
Good?
Holly's only licking it. Holly's only licking it.
Come on, eat, Baba.
Oh, I can't buy that anymore.
Okay. Sige. 3 lemon to. Kasi kumuha ko 5. So, 3 yung kinat ko. Wow. Go eat, Baba. There's more there, Baba. Tingnan mo.
This one's not sour.
Ano sa? Eat. And after that, you're gonna eat like an apple, okay? After this. Kasi parang not yet, not yet, Baba. Yeah, you
Do we
eat
have to
it.
share it around?
Yeah, share it around. Parang kasi walang challenge sa kanila, guys, yung lemon. Tingnan mo, mauubos na yung 3, oh. Isa lang yung nakain ko. Kasi mangilos ang ngipin. Pero sa kanila, parang wala lang. Eat it. Hello, mauubos na. Holly, show them how you eat the lemon bowl. Go, Papa. Go. Like, is it, ano?
I like it. Eat this one.
You like it?
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, safe show. That's right.
Ayan guys, ubos na nila. Ayan, wala na. Parang walang challenge sa kanila yung lemon. So what you gonna do? Oops, ano ba tong tripod ko? Bumababa lagi. So, tingnan nyo guys. Parang walang challenge sa kanila. So what they gonna do is, you're gonna eat this.
We like eat this like an apple.
With no reaction. Yeah, you're gonna share, Baba. You're gonna share, okay? Okay, I'll get you. We're gonna pass it on. Okay, give it to, because she wants. Okay, you're gonna share each other then. Yeah, this one for Holly. You have to eat that one, Holly.
I'm gonna eat it.
You're gonna eat it, Baba? Okay. You're gonna look at the camera, Sakura, with no reaction. Come on. Come on. Look at the camera. Yeah, bite like an apple. With no reaction, huh? Look at the camera. Look at this. And then, eat it. Eat it. Wait, Kuya. Wait for your turn. Si Sakura muna.
Bite.
Okay.
Bite.
Not yet, not yet. Come on, eat it.
Roll it.
Like, chew it. Kinain niya pati balat. Go.
My turn. Wait, Mom, do I have to eat the skin?
Yes, okay, Kuya. Bite it.
Bite it.
Parang hindi, maasim siya guys. As in, bagong pitas ko to eh. Sorry. Ano?
So sour.
Is it sour? You're not gonna react, remember? This is the challenge. Okay, Holly.
just swallow the skin?
Yeah, it's alright. Okay, Holly.
Pumpkin.
Okay, eat this
Just
skin.
roll it.
Go.
Tastes like apple.
Tastes like an apple.
What
Come on.
skin?
Come on, Holly. Si Holly may reaction.
Hey, Holly.
Come on, Baba. Eat it, Baba. Eat. Look at the camera.
Hey, you don't
Look
eat
at the
it.
camera. Wait, Zachary.
You like it?
You have to eat the lemon, Baba, not the skin. Give me the lemon skin. Ah, gusto mong kainin, sige.
eat the skin.
Oh, you're gonna eat the skin. Come on. Okay.
Like an apple.
It's like an okay, Zachary.
Okay.
Look at the camera.
He needs a plate, Mum.
Okay.
He just spilled some.
Ang galing nila dito sa channel sa akin. Ano nila yung ngipin ko, isa pa lang.
Plate.
Oh, okay, wait, Kuya, first, Baba, kailangan niya rin daw ng plate. Okay, Kuya. Big one.
It's my turn. The short.
Get yours daw, Kuya. Oh. Kuya, look at the camera. You don't. Okay, Holly, your turn. Bite, Baba. You have to bite the lemon, not the
That's my
skin.
lip.
Wait.
It's so good.
Huh?
I like this.
You like it? Oh my God. Kay, gusto raw nila. Okay, Zach.
Hold on.
Finish it. Open your mouth. Let me see. Okay, Kuya. Wait, I
Wait.
got a paper here. Wait, paper towel. Wait. I'll get you paper towel.
It broke.
Okay.
Paper towel.
Where's the paper towel? I got paper towel. Wait, I'll find it.
There you go.
One for you, one for Kuya.
Here's that. This is yours.
Okay, finished it. Come on. How are you, Holly?
Holly,
Gusto niyo
that.
may plate.
You want this? Do we finish it all?
Yes.
This is mine. All together?
Yeah.
All of it?
Parang excited sila sa challenge na to. Come on, Kuya.
My lips. Oh. Can I eat all of it?
It's up to you if you want.
I don't want to.
No reaction, Zach. challenge is no reaction. Hala, lima na yan. Pang-lima yung kay Holly. Where's your tissue? That one, just do that one. Share it, it's alright.
What do she
Ito. Naman si copycat naman to eh. Oh, shush, shush, shush. Okay, go Holly. Eat your lemon, Holly.
I don't know that bad.
Good boy, that.
I don't want to. You not ate it all? Do I eat the brain thing? Do I eat the brain thing?
Everything. Holly, how are you, Holly?
This sucking the juice.
No reaction, remember?
No reaction, remember?
Okay. Yeah.
Is it yum, Holly? Okay. Eat it, Baba. No, you don't spit it. That's a challenge, Baba. You have to chew it, Baba. You have to chew it, Baba.
I really want that.
It's alright, come on.
I'm sucking juice.
Okay. What is sour in Tagalog? Ma?
Ma.
Ano? Ma. Ano? Say it.
Ma.
No.
That means good.
That's right. Ma-a.
Octopus.
Ano?
That really sounds like octopus.
Ma-as.
Octopus.
No. Holly, what?
Octopus.
Maasim.
Octopus.
Maasim.
Pink.
I wish I want more.
Ano? Panglima. That's your, ano na, that's fifth lemon. 5 lemon na yan.
I want more.
Tingnan nyo, walang ka-challenge. Bibigyan ko sila ng challenge. Tingnan nyo.
I want more lemon.
No more lemon. Holly, share your lemon to Kuya. Come on, bite.
Telling me my
What?
clean room.
What?
For the sour.
Sour's maasim.
Mommy, Mommy, could you hold it?
Yeah, Kuya will hold it because Kuya wants to bite.
I want to buy them and give it back to you.
It's alright. No, siya na lang maghawak ko.
It's the skin.
It's him.
Okay.
That's not skin.
It's alright, Kuya. Let her hold it.
Which way to make the skin here?
Mom, can I eat this?
If you want to, Kuya. Sige, kainin niya.
Eat this.
Ito ha, naubos nila yan.
What was I saying?
Mom,
Yes?
can I eat all this?
Yeah, if you want. No, you cannot. That's it.
Papi, Mom.
So, yun na yung challenge, guys. Is it good? Maasim kaya. So, okay, say see you guys now. Say thank you.
Thank you for vlog.
Ano, thank you for vlog. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you for watching us.
Look at the
Thank you
camera.
for our vlog. See ya.
Oh no.
Slow down, Zachary. Okay, Kuya.
Next vlog.
Okay, Kuya, you too. Say see you guys.
See you guys. See you on our next vlog.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
How about you, Holly?
I need some of your meat.
Oy,
Don't want it.
say bye.
Mom, you doing it? He's doing
Okay. You're done?
Dad's doing it, so I'm eating this.
Oh, si Kuya.
We never having Frank.
Okay, para maging lemonade na siya sa... Baba, are you alright? Let me see yours, Baba. Let me see your lemon.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.